I mean, there's hundreds of stories like that. Well, probably the most recent one just happened yesterday. We have a guy who's been watching our social media, been watching our page. He is new to the Jeep community, never had a Jeep Wrangler. Drove up 3 hours on his own on a Sunday, wasn't sure if we were open or not, and walked the lot, and then calls us Monday morning around 11 and said, hey, this is so-and-so, I was at your lot, I really love your builds, I really love these road armor parts on this. Can you tell me a little bit more about that and how that works and what this lift is? And there's this one in particular on your lot that I really love but it's got these pink highlights. And I said, but I'd really want them to be teal. And he goes, and let me tell you why. He goes, I just lost my wife to ovarian cancer, and that is the color of the ribbon that they have. So for me, it's gonna be a tribute to her. And from everything I've read and heard, you guys are the place that'll actually make that happen for me. So a couple-day process went around. We did some research on exactly what he would want. We're debating if we're going to paint or powder coat the teal just to get the right shade for him. And he's going to drive up here this weekend, purchase the Jeep, drive it for a month so we can custom order the exact parts he wants. And for us, we're filling a need for him. You can tell this is very passionate for him, very emotional for him. And we probably had 4 phone calls yesterday. And that's just the most recent story. There's always, not always, but there's usually a backstory to why they're buying a Jeep or what they're doing with it. Again, everyone has their own idea of what a Jeep Wrangler or Gladiator should look like.